Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete transaction history on GCash. Alright, let's begin. First, open the GCash app on your device and make sure you are signed into your GCash account. Once you are logged in, look for the profile icon next to the transactions bar. Click on this icon to be redirected to your profile. Next, go ahead and click on the transaction section to view all your past transactions on GCash. To delete a transaction, click on your profile again and select your name. This will take you to the account center of GCash. In the account center, look for the option to delete your account. Clicking on this will allow you to delete all transaction history associated with your GCash account. Please note that deleting your account will permanently remove all transaction records. So that's basically how you can delete transaction history on GCash. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.